Welcome back to Cooking with Cardi. I'm your host, Brent Cardi, and I am not a chef. I have no training in cooking at all, other than what I got from my mom. Hi, Mom. This channel is for those of you who may be scared to cook and want to give it a go, but they think they might mess it up or whatever. But you know what? I've never cooked these recipes before, so I'm here to show you, an average Joe like me, that if I can cook it, so can you. All right, let's get at it. Beat it back from the store. Forgot my bags again. So the reason you're here is that you want to learn how to make pulled pork. Well, so do I. So I got the ingredients. I'm ready to go. You do need a crock pot for this one, so make sure you get one. I guess I should change into something that I don't care about getting dirty. So crock-pot recipe for today is something that you can get started in the morning, put it in the crock-pot, put it on high for 4 hours, low for 8 hours, and just let it sit and simmer all day, getting all those juices together, warming up, mouth-watering flavors. Sorry about that. Yeah, put it in the crock-pot, put it on a low high, let it cook all day, 4 to 6 hours, sit back, relax, don't worry about a thing, just smell it all. Take it in, enjoy life, let's go. For this recipe, you are going to need pork shoulder, sweet onion, Dr. Pepper, liquid smoke, honey, fresh minced garlic, brown sugar, onion powder, salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, cumin, your favorite barbecue sauce, buns, coleslaw, and coleslaw dressing. And now for the worst part of any meal prep, cutting up the onion. I can't handle it. I cry every single time. So if you have any tips or tricks on how to stop crying, please let me know in the comments. Also, don't make fun of my cutting. I am not a professional. I tried so hard. I just can't figure it out. Touching your eyes not helping. Oh, get over it, Brent. You can now take your cut up onion and put them in your crock pot and then evenly spread them out along the bottom of it. Now take that big hunk of pork and smack it right down on those onions. Give it a few love taps for me. Nice. Now pour 1.5 cups of Dr. Pepper right on top of the meat. Now we need a tablespoon of garlic, so we gotta chop it up, or mince it, whatever you want to call it, just to be able to fit into that tablespoon. That's good enough. Now in a small bowl, put your tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of honey. Now mine's a little hard, but I'll make it work. Now mix it all up until that honey's dissolved. Now brush it all over the top of the meat. In a separate bowl, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Now mix it all up so it's good and combined. Now we're just going to sprinkle it over top of the meat and let it sit there. Now we're going to toss the lid back on, turn it to high, and cook for 4 hours, or turn it to low and cook for 6 hours. All right, it's been 4 hours. Pulled pork should be done. Steamy. Wow, that smells good. So I saw a hack that you can use a electric hand mixer to shred up the meat. So we ran into some difficulty. 4 hours on high was not long enough. Couldn't even get my 2 forks into it. So I left it in there for about 2 to 3 more hours, and this is what it looks like now. I'd say that's definitely ready to shred. So let's do it. You can now add a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I used Bullseye Original, but you can use whatever you like. Now with a pair of tongs or whatever you have, let's stir that barbecue sauce and mix it in with the meat. Now for the coleslaw, super easy. I just buy the pre-made pack and add in my own coleslaw dressing. Now mix it all in so that we can finally throw our pulled pork bun together after a long, hard day. The pulled pork sandwich is finally done. Wasn't quite done after 4 hours, so we kept it in for 2 more hours, which made it perfect. Shredded up so nicely. We threw our coleslaw together, threw it on a bun, and well, here's the final product. Yeah, I'm real excited to dig into this, so let's do it. Oh my God. It's so juicy. So much flavor. Pulled pork is nice and sweet. Falls apart in your mouth. The crunchiness from the coleslaw gives it that nice little oomph. Oh, I'm glad I made so much. I'm gonna be eating this for days. What can I say? That's delicious. You can never go wrong with pulled pork. It's a crowd pleaser. Everyone loves it. If you enjoyed this video or learned anything from it, please give it a like. Comment what you think I should cook next. Anything you want to learn, I'll help you. I'll teach you. I'll do my best anyways. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to follow along on all our cooking adventures. This is Cooking with Cardi. Till next time, we out.